Hey guys, so I'm at Hope Antique and Estate Jewelry today. They've taken out some beautiful jewelry for us to photograph. Over here we've got the cat's eye diamond ring, certified Colombian emerald diamond ring. This one is a non-heat treated ruby diamond ring, non-heat treated Burmese sapphire diamond ring, and a whopping 50 carat aquamarine diamond ring, and a very beautiful diamond engagement ring. So we'll be shooting all that inside the GemLightbox. Let's see what it looks like. So the first one we're going to do is the cat's eye diamond ring. So the jewelry goes inside onto the turntable. We center our smartphone. Once the jewelry is in the center, we press the red button to record. Yeah, so on the bottom right hand corner, there's a speed, there's a button that has speed underneath it.
Oh yeah, it's just slow and fast.
Yeah, so it goes between 15 to 30 seconds. Okay, so let's save this. So the second piece we're doing is a bigger cat's eye diamond ring. This goes inside the GemLightbox. And we tap the red button to capture. Okay, so the third piece we're going to do is one of their beautiful Colombian emerald rings.
Can you just bring that closer to the camera, please?
So next we're going to photograph one of the certified non-heat treated star ruby Burmese diamond rings. So this goes inside the GemLightbox. We put our phone in front. Once the jewelry is in the center, we press the red button to record. Alright. The next piece we're going to shoot is one of their certified Burmese star sapphire diamond rings. And over here we've got the 50 carat aquamarine diamond ring. And let's see what that looks like inside the GemLightbox. Over here we've got the diamond engagement ring.